Yan, good morning everyone. Thank you so much, Sisi from Japan. Thank you sa pagbigay ng parcel. Thank you, you adventure. Thank you so much. We will try to open. Thank you, sponsor. Sisi Dakara Farm. Thank you so much. Hala. It's very cute, cute, cute. Look. Halaka. Be, I think kaigo pa ni Riri. It's brand new. Oh my god. Thank you, Sisi. Oh my god. It's very cute. Thank you so much. Very nice. Very cute. It's brand new. Oh, oh diba? Thank you, Sisi. My friend in YouTube channel. In YouTube world. My friend in YouTube world. Oh. Yes. Very cute. See. Thank you, Sisi Shi. From Japan. Dayon, ang nakatsada kay kuto ng ilalom. So, dili siya igang. Grabe ka nindot. Grabe ka tsada. Eurobi. Okay. This is for today, guys. Dali ara kay ni abot eh. Thank you, G Auntie. Salamat. It's not a it's not a promotion, but I'm very thankful nga dali ra kay ni abot. And wala ko'y gibayran, free tanan. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Sisi Koy, thank you so much. Og maura to guys, lipay kay ang inahan para sa anak. Very cute kaayo. Maura to. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyohang pagtan-aw. Thank you, you adventures. Thank you, Sisi and Dakara Farm. Thank you so much from Japan for giving me this one. God bless you more and have a blessed day. Salamat kaayo bisag sa YouTube rata nagkaila. Agoy. Now I know nga pwede di ay magkuan ba. Thank you, Sisi Chi. Thank you so much for this. I know that my kids is very happy to wear this one for this coming UN. Excited ang mama. So, mag-buy na lang dayon ko ani og taring-taring sa ulo. Thank you for your suggestion nga butangan og taring-taringan all. Okay, this is R3M Mondago ang inyong lingkod na naglingkod-lingkod. Bye for now and see you next time. Bye-bye!